Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox my Glamego box for the month of June 2018. So this is how the June Glamego box looks. It looks very beautiful with this vibrant orange color, and it has a colorful Indian female picture on it, Indian female's picture on it, who has a bubble gum in her mouth, which shows that she is not just a traditional Indian lady, but she is also modern. And the caption here says, "I'm not a regular 3." Okay, so I really like this packaging. And this month the box again comes with a magnetic closure. Let me open this box for you. Okay, now on opening this box I have 3 different cards here. The first card is from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. It's the 20% off card, which has a voucher code right here, and all the terms and conditions to use this card are mentioned. Then the second card I have here is from the brand Word. This is the Word perfume info card, which says Word perfume is rich in cocoa butter, oils and beeswax, which starts melting in heat, so store it in 25 degrees. Then the third card I have here is the info card, which has all the product details and the product prices mentioned here. Let me move on to the products and show you what all products I've received this month. The first product is the Sesa Ayurvedic Hair Oil, which is very well known in India, and it is known to increase hair growth. It is a 100 ml product. I hope my camera is able to focus on all the details. No, it's not. Okay, anyways, so all the ingredients of this particular oil are mentioned here, right here. This is for external use only. Yeah, right there. It says Sesa improves blood circulation to the follicles, protects scalp and hair shaft from seborrheic dermatitis, nourishes hair, roots and scalp through vital vitamins, also protects against damage due to stress or pollution, prevents bacterial and fungal infection of scalp. So that was the first product. Now moving on to the second product. The second product we have here is from Word. This is a Word Fresh and Handmade Love Potion Solid Perfume. The ingredients are cocoa butter, almond oil, beeswax, fragrance oil, essential oils. This is alcohol and preservative free. Stored below 25 degrees in dry place. Consumed within 6 months after opening for external use only. So this is how the solid perfume looks. See, I've already used it and it smells really great. It has a very mild smell, mild fragrance to it. The third product is from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. It revives, helps fight aging and imparts glow. I have used Blossom Culture products before and I've liked almost all of them. But I've never tried this one, so I'll definitely go ahead and try this and see how it works on my skin. Okay, all the other details are mentioned here. By the way, this is a sample product. This is not a full-size product. And the final product I have here is from the brand Bella Voste. This is the Ultimate Lip Contour Set. It is rich in argan oil and jojoba oil. And the final product I have here is from the brand Bella Voste. This is the Ultimate Lip Contour Set. This is how the outer packaging looks. It's rich in argan oil and jojoba oil. This lip contour set consists of these two lip shades. This is the Bella Voste 24/7 lip definer. It's in the shade Root Beer and it's of 1.2 grams. This is how the shade looks. And then we have the Bella Voste Perfect Pout lipstick. This is again in the shade number 12, Root Beer. Let me show you the shade. Okay. Guys, it's broken. See, this is how I received it. Okay. So this is how the shade is. It came broken to me. It reached me broken. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll somehow have to fix this. Because I'm sure even if I send a mail to Glamego, they would not revert me back, or they would just say sorry and keep quiet, because their customer service is something that I don't like. I can give it a try anyway. So this is how the shade is. Let me show you the swatch of this. So guys, this is how the lip contour pencil and the lip definer and the lipstick looks on my skin tone. The lip definer is a bit off on towards the matte side, and the lipstick is a bit glossier. It's a bit moisturizing. So I like the color. So those were all the products that I received in this month's Glamego box. I pretty much liked all the products, but the only thing I didn't like is the broken lipstick. So that was it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. Also do like and share this video with your friends and family members. I know I'm a little late in unboxing this Glamego box, but then I thought, let me just show you what all I received this month. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you stick around. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.